My kind of dinner. Hey there, welcome to our channel and welcome back to my kitchen. Y'all come on in. I'm Tammy and today we're gonna make Italian sloppy joes. That sounded really good to me. You know, I'm always looking for ways to use Italian sausage because we like it and we can afford it. Okay, I found this recipe in the Taste of Home cookbook from like 2006 and didn't have very many ingredients. And I know we'll like it because we like all the ingredients in it and we think you will too. So we're going to do this right now. Okay, you're going to need 1 pound of bulk Italian sausage, about a half a pack of mozzarella cheese, some garlic, minced garlic, some oregano, some parsley, some chili powder, some tomato sauce, a half an onion, and a half a bell pepper. And of course, bread of your choice. Okay, first thing we're going to do is cut up an onion and our half an onion and our half a bell pepper. Okay, we're going to get our stove on. We're going to get a medium heat. Y'all know I rarely ever cook over a medium heat. It's just wear and tear on your pots and pans. It don't make your dinner get done faster. Let's put that there. Now that my pan's warm, we're going to make it real easy on you. Cookbook says put it all in at one time. So we're going to put our sausage in first. Oops, I got a little piece of paper in there. Forgot they did that. Let's get that paper. There we go. We don't need the paper. And the onions and peppers go in same time. So in they go. All at one time. Now we're just going to brown that all up. Okay, and as it starts to brown, we need to go ahead and break that sausage up. So that's what we're going to do. Okay, while we're still waiting on that to brown, I will show you something. My daughter came to visit yesterday and she brought my grandsons over to play and hang out. And she brought me these. Anybody know what those are? They're not regular chicken eggs. They are duck eggs. Now they're dirty. She just picked them up, but look at that egg. Now I got to make a cake. Have to do it because there is nothing that'll make a cake recipe stand up and say yes like a duck egg. So next couple of days or so, I'll have to make you a cake. Look at that. Aren't they awesome? Now back to the pot. I just had to show them off. She said her ducks are on they must be feeling the springtime like really big because she doesn't have but like 4 ducks. So, I mean, they're like every one laying every day. She took my son a dozen and she brought me a dozen. And she she pickles them. I've never had a pickled duck egg, but she says they're good. I don't know. I like regular pickled eggs. We are almost there, y'all. I am almost all browned. I don't have any pink left. So it's time to add the rest of the ingredients. All right, now at this time, if you're worried about any kind of extra grease being in your pan, then you can obviously go ahead and drain it. Now this is really lean, and I think most of that is just off of the onions and the peppers. I'm not seeing a lot of like actual grease in here, so I'm not going to do that. But if you feel the need, you can drain it now. Right now we need 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. Just like that. We'll give that a little stir. You give it just a minute, let it get fragrant. Now we need 2 teaspoons of parsley flakes, or fresh parsley. If you have fresh parsley, by all means use it. There we go. 1 teaspoon of oregano. And 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder. And my spoons are stuck. There we are. 1/2 teaspoon of that chili powder. Now we're going to give that a good stir and get all those seasonings all incorporated. Let's get them all mixed up in there. There we go. That looks good to me. Now we're going to add 1/2 of the can of tomato sauce. Just like that. Now we're just going to give that a good stir. You get that all in. And then we're going to turn our eye down to low and let it simmer. Probably maybe 15 minutes. Just let some of that tomato cook down so it won't be quite so sloppy. About 15 minutes. All right, recently I did a review for a product for Piklohas again. I did the really nice set, and then I did one on the bread slicer, which I truly am in love with. And since I need buns to make my sloppy joes, I'm going to show you how easy this is. In case you missed the video, in case you missed the review video, I'm going to show you again how easy this is. Y'all watch this. It is awesome. Perfect sliced buns every time. And I really do like this 10-inch bread knife. It is really, really nice. All right, now all that's left to do is grate about 1/2 of a block of mozzarella cheese. To equal, what it needs to equal is about 3/4 of a cup of cheese. So I'm guessing it'd take about 1/2. Now, all you have to do is make your sandwich. Could not get easier. My kind of dinner. Now you gotta sprinkle a good little fair amount of that cheese on there. Close it up. I made some coleslaw this morning. Taste test time. Come on, Randy. It's time.
Here I come. I'm so excited to do this taste test. I'm more excited about eating the coleslaw because I love this coleslaw. We did a video on it. I'll put a link up there for you real quick. Mm. But the star of the show is the Italian sausage sloppy joe. I've never had a sloppy joe made out of Italian sausage.
Nope.
And when she said she was going to do that, I love sloppy joes. And she makes a mean sloppy joe. But with Italian sausage, we didn't find out.
Right. Wow, that was a bite.
Mm-hmm.
Good?
And some thick bread. Yes, it is very good.
All right.
Yep, very delicious. Appetizing. Tantalizes my taste buds.
All right.
All right.
All right. Well, I guess I'm about to make him another sandwich. He ate 2 bites. He's got half the sandwich gone.
Yeah, I did, didn't I?
Yeah, he did.
I'm on that cheese. I was wondering what was pulling back on me. Cheese was melted. Okay. All right, that's it. Go watch the video on how to make coleslaw. And you guys should know by the end of this video how to make a sloppy joe out of Italian sausage.
Yeah, that's awesome.
All right, I'm out of here.
We'll see you in the next one. Bye.